Morning. Today is Decades Day, so I went with the 90s. I got spiked hair for the grunge look, and the fanny pack, of course. So we've got the whole getup on today. And then I also have my football game today, my last JV football game today. We're playing against our rival team too, so hopefully we win. Yeah, today's Dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad, as you're editing this video. And so we celebrated last night. We gave him his presents and stuff like that. But today's his actual birthday, so happy birthday for real this time.
Have a good day.
This is hard to... All right, bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too.
Making the birthday boy some coffee. I'm making coffee because it's Ace's birthday, and I don't normally make coffee because he does that. This is stupid. It's very time consuming. The little reusable pod on the Keurig, not a fan. I can tell you, if I made coffee every day, we would not own this. So we might have to change things up. Maybe if you use the actual pods, it would be easier, but this is like so time consuming. You have to like dump out the coffee grinds, then you have to rinse it out in between one cup of coffee. That doesn't make any sense. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Asa. Happy birthday to you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hopefully it tastes good. It took forever to make. I don't like the Keurig. Heard your phone ringing.
My mom called to sing happy birthday to me.
Yeah. There we go. That's much better.
No, you can't. You don't need lights. It's not about that. Why would you do that?
Your mom called you?
Yeah, to sing happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
You know how you know you're getting old?
Why? How?
When your parents say that you're the wrong age and then they call you by your son's name. Like, happy 37th birthday, Isaiah. Like, nope. Try again.
Got Abby to school. Had to stop by the CVS pharmacy and grab some stuff. And now I'm making a carrot cake. So I'm going to try and set the phone up so I can show you guys how I do this. I know you guys are always talking about cooking with Priscilla, so this is the best I can do today. I have the carrots cut up. What I used to do is I used to like peel all the carrots and then cut them, but then I got smart and I buy the matchstick carrots and then I just cut them up smaller, so it works out great. We got to preheat our oven to 350. Oh, in our house, you hear that? It's telling me to unlock the door. This is where we hide things from Abigail, and so we have it locked, so I have to take stuff out, and Abby knows, but she doesn't know how to open it yet. Okay. So we got our oven preheating while we mix our ingredients. So first, you're going to take 4 eggs. 4 eggs. 1. Okay. Then oil. And we're going to do 1.25 cups of oil. 1. White sugar is 2 cups. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. One, 2, and I always put an extra, just because it's good. Okay, we drop that down. Then we add our dry ingredients. So let's put... Now we're gonna add our flour, which is 2 cups, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This is a half, so I'll do 4. Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. We have to add the most important ingredient, the carrots. So we're going to use 3 cups of grated carrots and then 1 cup of chopped pecans. I don't have pecans. They didn't have any at the store, so I'm going to actually use almonds this time. I think any nut would be fine. I have walnuts, but I think almonds would be better. So we're going to add that, our star of the show. You just pour your mixture in a 9x13 pan. I did spray a little Pam in there. All right, so now you just put it in the oven, bake it on 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. So you have to make the frosting to go on top of it. So we'll do that in a little bit. Yay, it's done. This is the finished cake. Now we have to let it cool for a while, so I'll probably do the frosting after I pick Abigail up, but it smells amazing. So I'm here at the shop trying to rescue Asa from the black hole. That's what I call the shop, because once you get here, you can't leave. He was supposed to be off today, but he ended up coming in. But he was supposed to get off at 12. It's 12:33. I'm still sitting here. He's not walking out yet. I see a glimpse. I see a glimpse of him. I gotta get him to lunch because I still have to do my team mom duties and pick up Chick-fil-A meals for the football game tonight. It's gonna be a rush lunch. Just keep smiling. He's coming. He's coming. He's walking quickly. He's smiling. Hi.
Like a black hole.
I just said that in the vlog. I'm like, he can't get out.
Let's just go. Go.
Hurry, get in the car. Hi.
Hi. Drive before they catch me. Looks tasty. Yeah, it is a good thing I got the collard greens to offset that thing. Holy cow.
Did you like your lunch?
I'm so full. I am so full. That was really, really good though.
Good, I'm so glad.
Never eaten there before.
I knew you would like that place.
Yeah.
We have 45 minutes, so we have to pick up the food for the football players. I put you to work on your birthday.
I know.
Isn't that cool?
It is cool.
They just had it plugged in, and then when you come in, they unplug it.
Giant bag of Chick-fil-A.
Yep.
Holy cow.
It's heavy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good job.
Was that taking a video?
Was that my birthday present?
It was your birthday present. You're welcome.
Can you take a picture?
I got
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. This is your yearly homemade carrot cake.
Homemade carrot cake. It's the bomb. Can you guys smell it? Mmm, smells so good. Abby didn't get to sing because she's in bed and because she's nonverbal. So there's that.
And she doesn't like this cake, so she actually gets Isaiah's cake. She likes Paige's cake better than carrot cake.
Well, that's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for spending my birthday with me. I appreciate it. I had a great birthday. My family treats me like a king. For my birthday, make sure you hit that like button. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, did you watch the vlog? I haven't even told me to get married. Bro, that's cool. Now you're going to be at the end of it.